Let's talk about flooding today. What is causing flood in Nigeria? Okay, now, I am here to tell us what exactly caused this flooding. The flooding was caused by the release of water from the Lado Dam. Let's go. The flood in Nigeria was caused as a result of the release of the excess water from the Lado Dam. The Lado Dam is a dam located in the northern part of the Cameroon. Many Nigerian communities along the courses of River Niger and River Benue have been affected by the flood. In September, the National Emergency Management Agency and the Nigerian Hydrological Service Agency informed Nigerians that the Lado Dam operators in the Republic of the Cameroon had commenced the release of the excess water from their reservoir on September 13, 2022. The agency said that they were aware that the released water cascades down into Nigeria through River Benue. The problem of the flood can be traced back in the 80s when the Nigerian government failed to honor an agreement it had with their Cameroon counterparts. The construction of the Lado Dam, located at the northern Cameroon, started in 1977 and completed in 1982. At inception, Cameroon and Nigeria had an agreement to build two dams, such that when water is released from the Cameroon dam, the Nigerian dam would contain it and prevent it from causing floods. So, to cushion the effect of flooding from the Lado Dam in Cameroon, the Nigerian government agreed to build a shock absorber dam called Dancing Hausa Dam in Adamawa State. The Dancing Dam was supposed to be 2.5 the size of the Lado Dam, which was built to supply electricity to the northern part of the Cameroon. But sadly, since 1982, the Nigerian government has yet to complete the building of the Dancing Hausa Dam. As a result, anytime the Cameroon government releases excess water from the Lado Dam, communities in Kogi, Benue, and other states get flooded. According to the spokesperson of the National Emergency Management, the 2022 flooding is the highest Nigeria has ever recorded since 2012. The federal government of Nigeria has made a futile effort to forestall the reoccurrence of 2012 flood. In 2013, Nigeria sent a delegate to Cameroon to deliberate with the country's authority and a demand to commitment from them on how to address the periodic flooding in Nigeria caused by the Lado Dam. At the meeting, Nigeria and Cameroon signed a memorandum of understanding which entails information sharing between the two countries about rainfall and how to manage the release of excess water without leading to disaster. It was also agreed that before the Cameroon opens its dam, it must issue early warning to enable Nigerians put proactive measures in place to prevent the destruction of lives and properties. The agreement, however, has failed to sufficiently address the flooding issue in Nigeria. In November 2019, the Director General said that the Lado Dam authorities did not inform Nigeria before they opened the dam, which released water for 3 weeks. Rather than completing the construction of the Dancing Hausa Dam, which is said to be 90% complete to prevent flooding, the Nigerian government prefers to annually put Nigerians in Kogi, Edo, Delta, Bayelsa, Benue, and some other states in northern Nigeria on red alert. What is keeping Nigerian government in finishing the Dancing Hausa Dam they started since 1982, which the Cameroonian government has finished over how many decades ago? It is very apparent that this flooding may continue in Nigeria until Nigerian government finishes the Dancing Hausa Dam.